Good evening, everybody. I'm Jennifer Weigand from the Nursing Education Program. I am going to talk to you tonight a little bit about Kahoot. Kahoot, unfortunately, was in the assignment paragraph, but I have found a great love of Kahoot. I first found out about it at a conference, and the speaker asked everyone to pull out their phones and download Kahoot, and after the break, sign in and answer some questions that were asked on the computer screen in front of us. It was nice to see that people could chime in and answer questions and add comments, and it compiled all those answers, and some things had correct answers that they were looking for, and some were just opinion-based. So let's take a little look around. Kahoot is great for creating your own assignments. So as an educator, you can ask questions. I also did find out that you are able to create business profiles and can utilize that information in adult business settings, meetings, satellite, informative sessions where you can have a speaker in one location and you can have people who sat into that location. It is utilized a lot in schools, but I do see more and more of Kahoot being used in work and professional situations. I was most interested in it a couple weeks ago when we started hearing about the coronavirus, as you are able to assess students' knowledge and information levels by using Kahoot satellite from home, and teachers are able to assess these students and have them chime in real time virtually from anywhere. I started thinking, when the news broke that schools were being closed, how would teachers continue to educate students and not lose the progress that they had made and not lose the number of days that they have to be in school? Because I teach nursing students, I don't know how many days that is before they lose funding or students need to repeat in the summer or repeat the next year. So this would be an excellent option to be able to educate those students. And actually up here in the yellow bar, it says right here, learn how to continue to have distance learning tools for your students. I did really like the fact that even if you are homeschool, you can create Kahoots. The other thing that I think is excellent about this is that you are able to allow your students to create their own Kahoot. And that can not only be used as an assessment tool, but can be used to be an adjunct in information that you can present in the classroom. So thanks for joining me for Kahoot. It really is a great option as an assessment tool to get kids and adults, meet them where they are. You are able to train people. Here's corporate level learning and events and presentation for people who are distance learners. Thanks so much. Have a great night.